Our topic for this video is app promotion goal or objective. So the name itself says very clear and loud, like what exactly we're gonna do after this choosing this objective or a goal. App promotion. So if you have a mobile app and you're looking for more number of app installs, then I would recommend you should go for app promotion. Or maybe you already have an app, you got good number of installs, but you're looking for in-app actions. Now, what are in-app actions? For example, let's say my app is Paytm, and I want my customer should go and do recharge in Paytm. They should go and let's say make some transactions in Paytm. Okay, so I need to let's say ask them to get a proper action in an app. Then the thing is called in-app actions. Okay, then you can go for app promotion. So basically, if you're looking for let's say new installs, a large number of installs, okay, if you're looking out for in-app actions, then you can choose app promotion objective. And under this app promotion objective, we have only one campaign type, which is your app campaign type. Okay, so loud and clear. This thing is very clear. Like app promotion is used for the apps which whether you need more number of app installs or in-app actions. Thank you.